Hey everyone, wanted to go over a new product available through Sloan Express. It's Condex's KX7 Concave kits, and we'll go over them a little bit more, but the main thing we're looking at with these is to give you a couple different things. Help you with threshing in the tougher crops with soybeans or wheat, maybe even some corn where you got some tough issues, but also trying to give you a cleaner grain into the tank and into the bin or at the elevator. But we wanted to back up just a little bit and just kind of give you some differences between what we're getting from Sloan Express versus maybe a standard concave. So what we've got here now is what would be in your standard STS or S series combines. And you can see already just a difference in width between the two concaves. You got two-piece deal versus a single, and then you have one pretty heavy piece to actually try to set up in the combine to get it in place. We want to go over here. This is what John Deere came out with earlier this year. Kind of their answer as well to help you with a little bit of threshing issues. And what you can see, still has a two-piece deal and has the bolt-in lip, that feed lip. And what you can see is it's all welded in pieces. So the round bars are welded in, and what they call the max thresh, which is the square bars, is also a full welded in piece as well. Not just going to touch on it lightly. What we wanted to mainly focus on with everybody was the Condex one that we're stocking at Express, which is this one here. And what this is just like we see over there, you've got your max round, and then you have your max thresh, which is the squares. And it is still a two-piece kit. And one of the nice things you can also see with this is wherever you see the little blocks on both of these concaves, you can actually replace them. So if you happen to have run a rock through the combine or something like that and it damages a couple of them, you can replace those. And just unbolt them, take them right out, put two new pieces in, and away you go. So pretty simple on that side. One other thing that we want to make mention with these kits, maybe you just want to do the two, but if you want to replace the whole concave, you can actually do 6 pieces or buy, which is all in one kit, or you can just buy 2 at a time. So wanted to kind of go over that and make mention that they are also available for Agco and Case IH combines. We don't stock them currently, but you can call us and check on that. If you need our number, it's 800-934-9777, or you can check it out on sloanex.com.